Hello, namaste to all. Guys, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome again to another daily dose of knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and spread the word. Bizarre things in North Korea that will make you thank your stars you weren't born there. To begin with, first, only 3 channels to view. How many do you have? Second, power cut every night. Third, elections with only one candidate to choose. Fourth, parents have to provide desk and chair for their kids. Different, huh? Fifth, the third generation punishment rule. If one person commits a crime, his entire bloodline, including the grandparents, parents, and children, are sent to prison. Choose from. Whoa! Sixth, North Koreans can visit only 28 websites. Their intranet is called Bright, through which internet is accessed and is free to use. The computers, however, are very expensive and one needs prior permission from the government to buy one. 7. Only 28 hairstyles for men. Thank your lucky stars. Have a good day.